आज हम स्टार्ट करेंगे जियोग्राफी का पहला क्वेश्चन। ठीक है, विच वन ऑफ द फॉलोइंग पेयर इज नॉट प्रॉपरली मैच्ड। ठीक है, तो जो कि गोंडवान सिस्टम जो कि सिक्किम। ठीक है, ये आपका गलत है। सैडल पीक 737 मीटर इज द हाईएस्ट पीक ऑफ बीच से नील अंडमान एंड निकोबार। ठीक है, तो हाउ मेनी स्टेट्स ऑफ इंडिया डज द ट्रॉपिक ऑफ कैंसर पास, विच इज 8। The time difference between IST and GMT is which is a 5 power plus 5 power and 30 minutes. How many states and union territories are there in India, which is 28 states and 7 union territories? Which of the following place never get the vertical rays of the sun, which is the Srinagar? If the name of sunrise in Arunachal Pradesh is 5 a.m., what will be the probable time of sunrise in Sarastra, Rashtra, which is the 7 a.m. The state and union territory value of flowers is located in which district, which is Chamoli. In which states UT the Salimar Garden is located, which is in Jammu and Kashmir. Which one of the following was joined as the eighth sister in the family of seven sisters of Northeast, which is a Sikkim? Which one of the following states is bounded by Bangladesh from three states, which is Tripura? Consider the following statement and select the correct answer using the code given below. Sikkim is the smallest state of India. Rajasthan is the largest state of India. Tamil is the official language of Lakshadweep. Silvas is the capital of Dara and Nagar Haveli, which is the second and fourth statement is correct. Which of the following is the smallest in term of area union territory of India? Which is correct answer is the Lakshadweep. Which one of the following cities is not a capital of any state of India, which is Guwahati? Which one of the following Indian state is also known as one state many words, which is Karnataka? Which one of the following states has common boundary with Bangladesh and Myanmar, which is Mizoram? What is the correct north-south sequence of the following Indian state along the Myanmar border, which is Arunachal Pradesh, Nagaland, Manipur, Mizoram? Which of the following makes India's maritime boundary with Maldives, which is 8-degree channel? Match the following and find the correct answer with given code below, which is the Chandigarh, which is administrative, Santiniketan, which is educational town, Dhanbad, which is the correct answer is the mining town, Abu, which is the tourism city, and this correct answer. Which of the following the oldest part of India, which is the Deccan Plateau? The oldest mountains are the which is the Aravalli. Match the following, which is the state and highest peaks. See Tamil Nadu, which is the Doda Beta T, and Rajasthan, which is the Guru Shikhar. Nagaland, which is a Saramati. Madhya Pradesh, which is Dhupgarh. Hence, option C is correct. Assertion: Himalaya mountains protect India from the northern cold wind in winter season. Reason: Himalaya is the highest and the youngest folded mountain of the world. Both A and R true, but R is not correct explanation of A. Where is the Michael range situated, which is in Chhattisgarh? Between the which mountain range does lake lies, which is the Jaskar and Ladakh? Which one of the rivers does not originate in India, which is the Satluj? The beast bob spread which of the following rivers, which is the Beas and Satluj? By which name river Ganga is called the Bangladesh, which is a Padma? Consider the following statement about the rivers and select the correct answer from the code given below. Trans is the tributary of Yamuna. Binangana is tributary of Bhagirathi. Pindar is the tributary of Ganga. Mandaniki is tributary of Alaknanda. Hence, 1, 2, and 4th are correct. Which one of the following tributaries of the Ganga rivers has northerly course, which is a Son? At which of the following place Bhagirathi and Alaknanda river join form of Ganga, which is Devrayag? Which of the following rivers in India has the largest catchment area, which is a Godavari? assertion. While all rivers of the peninsular India flow into Bay of Bengal, the Narmada and Tapi flow into the Arabian Sea. And the region, the Narmada and the Tapi rivers flow in the Rift Valley, which is both statement is correct and correct explanation of A. Which of the following rivers flow through a Rift Valley, which is Narmada? Which one of the following west flowing rivers flow between two mountains, and which is Narmada? Which of the following rivers flow through a Rift Valley, which is Narmada? In which state lies the lowest altitude points measured with reference to mean sea level, which is Kerala? Which one of the following cities does not lie off the bank of Ganga, which is Agra? Floating islands are particular features of one of the lake in India, which is the Loktak Lake. In which part of India the volcanic barren island is located, which is Andaman group of island? Which of the following island come to in the category of distinct island of Indian coastal line, which is Minicoy? In which of the following state of India Chittorkot waterfall is located, which is in Chhattisgarh? Highest waterfall Kanchikal lies in which state of India, which is in Karnataka? Which of the following is not a natural lake, which is a Teri Lake? Johar Tunnel on Jammu Srinagar highway is related with which Pir Pranjal range? In which state of India is Phalhar Lake situated, which is Uttar Pradesh? Jorilla Dar Jine Pass connect, which is connect the Leh and Srinagar? Which one of the following mountain pass is not located in Uttarakhand, which is a Sipali? Match the following. Correct answer is the Binhalu, which is the I think correct option, which is the B option is correct. This Bihalu, which is Jammu and Kashmir, and the Rohtak, which is in Himachal Pradesh, Nathula, which is in the Sikkim, and the Bordil, which is Arunachal Pradesh. Bombdil. Hence option B is correct. Silpa La Pass is associated which of the following state, which is in Himachal Pradesh? Which one of the following statement is the not correct? So not correct. Indian monsoon becomes strong when El Nino also becomes strong. This statement is strong. ठीक है, बाकी सारे statement सही हैं. Assertion. In Himalaya, different forest belt lie within a particular altitude. Assertion. The Himalayas have different types of forest due to climate variation. Hence, correct option A and R both are true, but R is not correct. Sorry, R is the correct explanation of it. Which of the following is known as flame of the forest, which is Pallas? Which of the following altitudinal zone of Uttarakhand contains maximum forest cover, which is 1,000 to 2,000 meter? In which one of the following area of India mangrove forests are found, which is in the Ganga Delta? Which state has the largest percentage of area in forest cover, which is Arunachal Pradesh? In which of the following states area under forest cover as percentage of total geographical area of the state is the lowest, which is the Uttar Pradesh? Which of the following characteristic is not of the Harvard rocks of India, which is these rocks contain fossils? The lava soil is commonly found in which is found in the Maharashtra? Which soil is treated with gypsum to make it useful for agriculture, which is alkaline? Which of the following Indian states have the highest percentage share of irrigated area, which is Punjab? On which river was the Pong Dam constructed, which is Beas? Tehri Dam is built on the confluence of which is Bhagirathi and Bhilangana? Assertion. In all the canal irrigated are North India waterlogging in the series problem associated with over irrigation region. The Indira Gandhi Canal Command area recent example in water by which waterlogging is progressively becoming serious menace to agricultural land, which is correct answer is the both A and R is true. R is the correct explanation of our largest irrigation project is which is the which is the Bhakar Nangar. Indira Gandhi Canal water resources, which is the Satluj and Beas both rivers is the correct. Which of the following pair is not correctly matched? Which is correct option is the Talaiya Bandh, Konkan rivers. In which of the following state is situated Johar Sagar Dam, which is the Rajasthan? The largest coal reservoir of India was found in which is Jharkhand. Kalappan, which is in Tamil Nadu, and the Nar or Trembo, which is in Maharashtra, and the Kakarpar, which is in the Narora, which is Uttar Pradesh, and Kakarpar in the Gujarat. Hence option B is correct. ठीक है, नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन देखते हैं. इंडिया फर्स्ट एटॉमिक पावर स्टेशन वाज सेटअप एट द भारत, ठीक है, विच इज इन तारापुर. One of the total electricity generated in India, the share of nuclear power is approximately 2%. Which one of the following state occupies first position in the production of wind power, which is correct in Maharashtra? Which of the following called white coal, which is a hydroelectric power? First electricity producing plant from sea web in India situated in which is Kerala. In which Indian state Numaligarh refinery is located, which is in Assam. Akleshwar is a place in which is the Gujarat, where oil has been found recently. Akleshwar is famous for, which is famous for petroleum deposit. Match the following. ठीक है, कोयली which is in Gujarat, Barauni which is in Bihar, Karnal which is in the Haryana, and Haldia which is in West Bengal. Hence ऑप्शन इज करेक्ट. ठीक है, नेक्स्ट को देखते हैं. तो इसमें ऑटोमोबाइल गुड़गांव में होता है. ठीक है, गुड़गांव ए ऑप्शन, एंड फिर एल्युमिनियम अलुपुरम विच इज इन अलुपुरम. ठीक है, यहाँ पे अलुपुरम. ठीक है, एल्युमिनियम का ऑप्शन आपका फर्स्ट हो जाए. ठीक है, और जूट क्या हो जाएगा आपका, विच इज द जगत दल विच इज फोर्थ, एंड द सिल्क का हो जाएगा आपका Chatrapatan. Hence option A is correct. Which one of the following cities does not lie on the New Delhi Kolkata trunk rail route, which is Agra? ठीक है, नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन देखते हैं. Which of the following states of India has the maximum rail length, which is Rajasthan? Which one of the following is used as national waterways? Which correct answer is the Ganga, called Haldia and Allahabad. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन देखते हैं. Study the following statement and select the correct answer from the code. West Bengal has the highest area under rice in India. Punjab is the largest producer of wheat in India. Maharashtra is the largest producer of jowar in India. Rajasthan has the largest acreage under maize in India. बस स्टेटमेंट थर्ड सही है, बाकी सारे क्या है गलत है. ठीक है, बट आयोग ने नहीं माना. ठीक, नेक्स्ट देखते हैं. कंसीडर द फॉलोइंग स्टेटमेंट एंड सेलेक्ट द करेक्ट आंसर यूजिंग द कोड गिवन below. First, Uttar Pradesh is second largest producer of rice in India. And next question, next statement, Haryana has the highest per hectare yield of wheat in the country. Maharashtra has about half of the total jowar producing area of the country. Gujarat has the largest area of cotton cultivation in India, which is one, and third statement is correct. Which one of the following states has the three largest area under coffee cultivation, which is a Karnataka? Identify the legumes crop which does not fix atmospheric nitrogen, which is rajma. Maximum export variety of mango is which is Alfonso. Padmina Sal are made of wool of which is the goats and Ladakh. Goats of Ladakh. Given below 4 leading goats rearing state in India, which one them has the largest goat population, which is in Rajasthan? Which of the following pair properly matched? जनजाति और राजदिया. टोंडा तमिलनाडु के जनजाति, ठीक है, और ज्वार झारखंड, करसिया राजस्थान, असुर विच इज छत्तीसगढ़. है फर्स्ट और थर्ड क्या ठीक है करेक्ट मैच कर रहा है. ठीक है, नेक्स्ट स्टेटमेंट ट्राइब दिया हुआ, स्टेट दिया हुआ. ठीक है, तो थारू मध्य प्रदेश, टोंडा झारखंड, संथल उत्तराखंड, गोंडा तमिलनाडु. है ऑप्शन डी. ठीक है, विच मीन दैट थोरू का उत्तराखंड है, और आपका टोंडा का तमिलनाडु, और सरथल का झारखंड, और गोंडा का आपका मध्य प्रदेश। ठीक है, नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन है, विच वन ऑफ द फॉलोइंग ट्राइब इज नॉट फाउंड इन उत्तराखंड, विच से मुंडा। ठीक, नेक्स्ट देखते हैं, नेशनल बॉटनिकल रिसर्च इंस्टीट्यूट सिचुएटेड एट विच इज लखनऊ। ठीक है, इंडियाज थर्ड रिसर्च स्टेशन इन अंटार्कटिका इज विच इज भारती। मैच द फॉलोइंग, नेशनल इंस्टीट्यूट ऑफ न्यूट्रिशन विच इज इन आई थिंक देहरादून है, वाइल्ड लाइफ इंस्टीट्यूट ऑफ इंडिया, एक बार देख लेते हैं, कंफर्म कर लेते हैं। ठीक है, हैदराबाद तेलंगाना। ठीक है, सॉरी, इसका हो जाएगा आपका डी। ये आपका हैदराबाद में वाइल्ड इंस्टीट्यूशन ऑफ इंडस्ट्री है देहरादून, नेशनल इंस्टीट्यूट ऑफ आयुर्वेद जयपुर, और नेशनल इंस्टीट्यूट ऑफ न्यूरोपैथी विच इज पुणे। ठीक है, हेंस ऑप्शन डी इज करेक्ट। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन देखते हैं, ए थर्ड परमानेंट रिसर्च स्टेशन proposed to be established in South Pole region by India. What name is proposed for it? Which is Maitri. What is India's second permanent station at Antarctica called, which is Maitri? Project Directorate for Cropping System Research is located at, which is located in Meerut. Which of the following state has the largest solar energy plant in India, which is Rajasthan? Match the following. ठीक है, correct answer Gogala, which is in Diva, or next one is the Kasargod, which is in Karnataka, Kappad, which is in the Kerala, and the Rusikoda, which is in the Andhra Pradesh. Hence option B is correct. Which one of the following state is leading producer of diamond in India, which is Madhya Pradesh? C option is correct. ठीक है, Adams Bridge lies in between the countries, which is in India and Sri Lanka. Which one of the following cities is known as the Silicon Valley of India, which is Bangalore? In which state the landslide are major problem, which is in Uttarakhand? In which island of Indian Ocean US Navy base is located, which is the Diego Garcia? A short duration crop is between two main season crop is termed as, which is a catch crop. Which of the following cities nearest to the Tropic of Cancer, which is a Aicho. Okay. Name the largest size planet of our solar system, which is the Jupiter. The planet which has largest number of satellites is, which is a Saturn. Which of the status of Earth in the solar, which is a planet? In which of the following region the maximum amount of isolation received, which is subtropical region? Which of the following pair is not correctly matched? Venus Verena 4 and the Mars Mariner 4, Jupiter वाइजर 1। ये गलत है, क्योंकि ये सोलर सिस्टम के स्टडी के लिए भेजा गया था, मर्क्यूरी मैसेंजर। ठीक है, सौरमंडल के बाहर गया था, उसके बारे में पूछना। ठीक है, अब इसको आपको करेक्ट सीक्वेंस में लगाना है कि सन के पास कौन है। ठीक है, तो आपको पता है सबसे मर्क्यूरी, फिर वीनस आता है, फिर आपका आता है जुपिटर, देन सैटर्न। ठीक है, हेंस डी ऑप्शन इज करेक्ट। The moon reflects 7% of sunlight. It receives what percent sunlight received by Earth? It is reflected by, according to astrophysicists, which is 35%. Next question देखते हैं। Arrange the planet is descending order as per their size. Which is the सबसे बड़ा जुपिटर है, then फिर अर्थ, फिर then Mars, and then after Mercury. Which is the brightest planet in our solar system, which is Venus? Which one of the following gases are discovered first in the chromosphere of the sun, which is a helium? What is tidal bore? High tidal move upstream in the mouth of the river. ये गलत है, सॉरी, ये आपका करेक्ट है। ठीक है, हाई टाइडल वेव मूविंग अपस्ट्रीम इन द माउथ ऑफ द रिवर। डे एंड नाइट आर मोर और लेस इक्वल टू एट इक्वेटर। नेक्स्ट देखते हैं, विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग स्टेटमेंट इज नॉट करेक्ट अबाउट द रिप्रेजेंटेटिव फैक्टर, विच इज करेक्ट? द ग्राफिकल स्केल कैन नॉट बी कंस्ट्रक्टेड ऑन द बेस ऑफ RF. Which of the following statements is correct about datum line? Which is a correct answer? It is a horizontal line from height and width measure. When there is a noon at IST meridian, another place is having sunrise 6 o'clock. On which of the following meridian are placed in located which is 7 degree 30 minutes west. Which of the following is a prime meridian which is 0 degree latitude? Which of the following countries has time to different from GMT which is Spain? Baltic Republic or do not include which of the following, which are Denmark, Estonia, Finland, Latvia, which is the first and third. Denmark and Finland is correct. Arrange the following continent of the world, the descending order of their size, and select the correct answer from the code, which are Antarctica, Australia, Europe, South America. Hence, South America, and then Antarctica, then Europe, then Australia. Which is the name of world's smallest holding an area of 21 kilometer square, which is Nehru. Arrange the following continent in descending order of their geographical area and select the correct answer from the code given below. South America, Europe, Australia. This is a fourth. Okay? So hence first South America, then आपका Antarctica, then Europe, then Australia. Match the following country and their capital. ठीक है? तो ब्राजील का ब्रेसिलिया एंड देन आफ्टर गुयाना का आपका जॉर्ज टाउन एंड कोलंबिया विच इज द कोलंबिया का बोगोटा एंड देन आफ्टर वेनेजुएला विच इज करेक्ट कारकस. ठीक है. एंड सी ऑप्शन. कंसिडर फॉलोइंग स्टेटमेंट अबाउट एल Aquila and state of one of them correct, which is it is a place in Italy. In which one of the following countries is Uranio is situated, which is in China? Which one of the following is a larger mountain range in the world, which is the Andes? Which seismic wave cover longest distance and is most violent and destructive, which is L wave? Name the atmospheric layer that has following characteristic. The layer extends to a height of about 440 km. In this layer, temperature rise dramatically reach up to 1480 degrees centigrade. This is due to the fact that gas molecules in the layer absorb the X-ray and ultraviolet radiation of the sun. It protects Earth from meteoroids and satellite is it which is the thermosphere. Black Forest Mountain is located in which is Germany. The White Mountains are located in which is in USA. The biggest desert of the world is which is in Sahara. There is no atmosphere on the moon. It is because which is the gravitational force is completely small. The jet aircraft by very easily and smoothing in the lower stratosphere. What could be the correct explanation for this? There is no cloud of water vapor in the lower stratosphere. There is no vertical wind in the lower stratosphere. Hence both statement is correct. Then C option is correct. What is the percentage of carbon dioxide gas in Earth's atmosphere? The correct answer is 0.03%. Longest river of the world, which is the Nile. Which of the following seas is situated between the Philippines and Vietnam, which is South China Sea? Which of the following current are cold current? Select your correct answer with the given answer. Hence आपको पता है कैलिफोर्निया करंट और लेबडोर करंट जो कि करेक्ट है 2 and 4. Hence 2 and 4 is correct. Which one are wrongly matched? Choose your answer with the help of given diagram. Typhoon China Sea, Hurricane Indian Ocean, Cyclone West Indies और टोर्नेडो ऑस्ट्रेलिया. Which is wrongly मैच कर रहा है 2, 3 and 4. ओनली फर्स्ट आपका सही मैच कर रहा है. The center low pressure area of cyclone is called, which is called I. Which of the following countries is called the land of the thunderbolt, which is the Bhutan? Which of the following correctly matched? We know that the Glaciers Australia, which is correctly matched. Assertion. Canberra celebrate its Christmas during the summer region is planned national capital of Australia. Hence both statement correct, but is correct. It is not correct explanation of A. ठीक है. मैं द फॉलोइंग देखते हैं. आपको पता है कोल क्या है? आपका थर्मल प्लांट का है. यूरेनियम है, ये हेलेनियम लिखा हुआ. रेडियो एक्टिव सब्सटेंस और हेमेटाइड जो आपका और है आयरन का, लाइमस्टोन सीमेंट इंडस्ट्री का. ठीक है. तो हेंस ऑप्शन सी इज करेक्ट. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन देखते हैं. Which one of the following country has the largest reservoir of uranium? Reserves of uranium, which is Australia. Which one of the following is not correctly matched? Which is चेलिया बिंग्स शिप बिल्डिंग, इसलिए ये आपका गलत है, बाकी सारे क्या है सही है। वर्ल्ड लार्जेस्ट प्रोड्यूसर ऑफ नेचुरल रबर इज विच इज द थाईलैंड। ठीक है, नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन देखते हैं। Who amongst the following is the biggest producer of sunflower oil in the world, which is Ukraine? Mixed farming means which is the crop rising and livestock farming. Which of the following the era of reptiles, which is the Mesozoic? ठीक है, और रिश्टर स्केल इज यूज फॉर मेजरिंग विच इज यूज फॉर इंटेंसिटी ऑफ अर्थक्वेक। ठीक है, यहाँ पे हमारा जियोग्राफी कंप्लीट होता है। नेक्स्ट वीडियो में हम नेक्स्ट यूनिट कवर करेंगे। थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग दिस वीडियो। प्लीज लाइक शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब दिस चैनल।